Hello students. Now today we are going to study the third video of this topic, that is digital presentation. Now I have opened the presentation which we have created earlier. Now here we want to add a new slide because I need to show you the further things, how we can add the header and the footers. Now what are the header and the footers? See, header and footers. Headers are the portions of the presentation that always appear at the top of the page, okay? And footer appears at the bottom of the page. And header and footers display journal information like your presentation title, chapter name, page number, author name, logos, etc. Okay? Now, how we are going to add this? We will go to the view button, view tab. Under that we will go on the header and the footer. So here you can see the header and the footer. This kind of screen is going to appear. From here you can type the header and the footer in the window, like this is your footer text. Suppose we are entering page number 1, okay? Now when we click on the notes and handouts, here you can see the header text is there. Suppose I want to give here the title. Title means like I want to give the chapter heading, that is chapter number 10. Okay. Now we will click on apply to all. Then next thing is how to insert the images into the presentation. So first what we need to do, see, images gives a better look to the presentation. It is more presentable to the users or the clients. So we use the images in the presentations. So what we can do, we can click first we will decide the slide in which we want to add the image. Like here I want to add the image. So you will go to the insert, then pictures. Now from file or scan, two options are there. So suppose I'm clicking on the from file. So I have opened the folder images in which various images are available with me. Suppose I'm selecting this left turn. Now you can see that this image will be inserted in your presentation. So this is how you can add the pictures in your presentation. Then how to move an image. See, what are the steps? First click on the image. Now we have clicked on the image. Now green resize handles are coming here. So according to that, either you can drag it here and there. Okay, suppose we are dragging it here and there, or you can resize them. When you will come to the green sign, you can see a double-ended arrow is coming here. With the help of that, you can extend the size of the image. This is how you can even resize the image and you can even move an image. Next thing is how to rotate an image. Okay, for rotating an image, go to the green signal. No, sorry, green resizing handles. Now click the rotate button on the drawing toolbar. Okay. Now for rotating, you have to click on the drawing toolbar. You have to click on the rotate button. So this is your rotate button. As we will click on this, you can see red colored symbols are going to come here. These green squares will change into the red color. Now you can see when you will take your mouse at the end of any of the symbol, in the red symbol, you can see this kind of rotating arrow is coming. So when you will click with the help of the mouse, your image will be rotated. Now this is how you can rotate your images. Next is your formatting images using the picture toolbar. See, when picture is selected, the picture toolbar becomes available. Like we have selected this picture. Now picture toolbar will be available. So the toolbar provides a number of formatting options, and if the picture toolbar does not appear on the screen, then you can display it with the help of view. Then you will go to the toolbars. Under this you can click on the picture option. Okay, this is your picture option. This has been already ticked, that means it has been activated. Okay, now this you can see here, this is your picture toolbar. This line is your picture toolbar. In this you have various options available. You can apply the filters, like use the leftmost icon. This is your leftmost icon. Now from here you can apply the various filters to your presentation or the selected picture. Like if suppose I'm selecting this, or different we can apply. So this will be applied to your slides. Okay, first select the image so that the green handles allow around it show. Now this is your green handles. After that, click on the magic wand icon. This is known as a magic wand icon. Okay, this is available in the picture toolbar. Now toolbar will expand to show the icons. Now these are the icons which are available, so you can select any one of the filter out of them. Okay, now next thing is you're changing the graphics mode. See, the next box in the picture toolbar is used to change the mode of the image. This one is your used for the changing the modes. Now you can see default, grayscale, black and white, watermark. Now all of these are used. Default means no changes to the graphic object. Grayscale means the image is converted to scales of gray. That means it will be gray colored. Now black and white means each pixel of the image is converted to black or white depending on the brightness. Suppose we click here. Now you can see this has become gray. Now this is black and white. Now watermark. Watermark means that now you can see on the page it is looking like a background image. Okay, it's not very clear, it's just like embedded in the page. Okay, so watermark means it adjusts the brightness of the image, making it suitable to use as a watermark. Sometimes you might have seen official papers, okay, of any organization. Under that you can see a watermark has been given in all the papers, so that is the proof that those papers are related to an organization, okay, to a special organization. So from here we can use this. Suppose we use only the default one. Then your next part is your color adjustments. Okay, adjusting the color. Now when you will click here, you will get the various options available. Okay, you can use this dialog to modify the individual color components of that, like red, green, blue. Okay, you can change the brightness, contrast and the gamma of the image. Like we are changing this, we are changing the red also, then blue also, then we can apply it. Then after that you have this one. This is your transparency, setting the object transparency. So it can modify the percentage value in the transparency box. So from here you can increase the transparency or you can decrease the transparency. Okay, you can see the color has been faded. Then adjusting the line area and the shadow settings. Okay, these are your line area and shadow settings. Wait, first we have to select the image. Now this is your adjusting the line area and all that. Okay, from here you can select the line styles. Suppose we are selecting the dashed, we are using this dashed. After that you can crop the pictures. Crop the pictures means you can remove the unwanted pictures. Okay, in this the various things are keep scale, keep image size button. So from where you will do this, this is your crop picture option. Now from with the help of this you can see the icon which is coming. You can drag the mouse, so only that picture will be cut and the remaining will be visible to you. Okay, next is the various options are like your keep scale, keep image button size. So keep scale is selected. Cropping the image does not alter the scale of the picture. Then is your left, right, top, bottom. So these can crop the images according to that. Then scale, width and height, then image size and the original size. Okay, again we need to click the picture for that. So these are all things available in the pictures toolbar. Now if we want to delete the picture, what we will do, we will select the picture and right click on that, and from there you can delete the picture. Okay, or even you can press the delete button. Then managing your graphic objects. So tools on the drawing toolbar. These are the tools available. All these shapes are available. Okay. If they are not available, you need to go to the view tab. Under that you need to click on the toolbars. Then in toolbars you need to click on the drawing. Okay. So you can see various options are available. We have arrow buttons. We have this line. Then we have line ends with arrow, rectangles, ellipse, text in which we can write the text, then curves, connectors, then basic shapes. These are the symbol shapes like smileys and all that. Okay, then you have these arrows, different kind of arrows. Then these are the symbols, rectangles and all that. These are the some message passing like clouds or something somebody is thinking, you can make the clouds. Then you have the various stars available. So all these are the options available in the toolbar. Okay, then these are mostly used in the flow charts when you create the flow charts. So flow charts, in that you can make the various shapes. Then we have the call outs. Call outs means this tool is used to draw different kind of shapes for writing the comments. Okay, we have seen these are the call outs. And from the lines and the basic using tools, we can use the lines to draw the different types of lines. Like this you can use for making the lines. And then we come to the grouping and ungrouping of the graphical objects. See, in Impress, different graphical objects are grouped together so as to be treated as one object. So a group is what? Group is a group of shapes can be formatted as if it was a single shape. It can be moved, rotated, deleted, etc. So for that we have to select the shape which need to be grouped. Now after that, first we are selecting this, then green resizing handles will occur. So we will go to the format option. Under that we will go to the group option. This is your group option. Okay, under this you will click on the group. Okay, and if you want to ungroup, then you have to click on the ungroup, and the shortcut key is Control plus Shift plus G, Control plus Alt plus Shift plus G. Okay, this is how we can group and ungroup the objects. Next topic is that we can add special effects to the graphic objects. So we can add them with the help of mode toolbar. We will go to the view, then toolbars. Under this you can see mode is available, so click on this. Now you can see these are available. This is for rotating the image. Okay, this is for flipping the image. Flipping means it will be just inverted. Okay, then this is 3D rotation object. Then you have set in circle. Yes, then next is your set to circle, then distort, transparency. All these are available. Now next thing is creating the slideshows, transitions and animations. See, creating a slideshow, we have created this presentation. Now we want to show this to our audience. So the shortcut key for that is F5. Now this is the presentation started. Okay, we should start it from the starting. Now this was your first slide. Now click on F5. So this is your first slide. Then press enter. Second one, then third one, then fourth one, then fifth one. This was your last. Okay. So in this, what you can do, you can go to the slideshow. This is your slideshow. Under this, go to the slideshow settings. Now you want to give range of all the slides or not, or you want to give the some slides, like you have made 15 slides, so you just want to show 5 slides to the users. So you can give the slide names here, which slides you want. Okay, this is range. Then type means default shows the slides full screen. Window runs the slideshow in the OpenOffice.org program window. And auto is used for restarting the slideshow after the last slide. Like last slide comes, after that automatically it starts from the first slide. So pause slide is displayed between the last slide and the starting slide. That was the first slide. After that we can press the escape key to stop the show. Then you have the various options available, like change slides manually, mouse pointer visible, mouse pointer as pen, navigation, navigator visible. So all these can be applied. Then creating the customized slideshow. For creating the customized slideshow, go to the show, go to slideshow, then custom slideshow. This is your custom slideshow. So from here you can choose that how you want to show your slides. So you will click on the new option. Under that you will add the various slides which you want. Suppose I want to add this, so I want to add all the slides. This also I want to add. After that, clicking on these slides, suppose only 3 slides I have taken. Okay, so that means custom slideshow is set up. Now we will click on the OK, close. Okay, so custom slideshow is set up. Now when you will run the slideshow, only those slideshows will be available. Okay, after that the second, then third. Okay, it's showing all. We have not. Then adding and removing the transitions. Okay, transitions are what? They are the effects that are in place when you switch off from one slide to the next. So when you are converting, when one slide is changing to the second slide, the effects which are visible, they are known as the transitions. So we will click on the slideshow. Under this you can click on slide transition. Now you can select, these are the slide transitions we have already selected in the starting. Now this is uncover down, uncover left, or any one of out of these you can select. Now to remove them, if you want to remove the slide transition, again we will go to the slideshow, then slide transition. Okay, even you can use them as the background. Suppose I want to use this as a background. So under that you can click on no transition. Okay, that means there will be no transition. Then print, export and save presentation. I already told you how to save the presentation. Now if we want to print it, we will go to the file option, then go to print. Now printer is not available. Now these are the settings for printout. Okay, we have 4 slides. Now we want all slides to be printed, or we want just we want to give the range of the slides to be printed, and number of copies we can give it from here. So this is how your presentation will be printed. Okay, now creating the PDF of a presentation. PDF is what? Portable document format, which can be just read. You can't edit that. So how you will make it? You will go to file, then export as PDF. Now PDF option dialog box will appear. Okay, after that you can click export option. Now you can write the name, like I just want to give this same name, so I can click on save button. Now my file will be saved as a PDF file. Okay, there was a locking problem, but we can save this according to these steps. Now next is creating web page or a flash file of the presentation. Okay, so for web page I used in internet. So what you can do, you can go to the file, then go to export. After that you can select HTML here. Okay, we have various files available here. Suppose I'm selecting HTML, so it will be saved as a HTML file. If I select .swf, dot swf. Now this is your macromedia flash file. This is how you can save your files as a web file or a flash file. Okay, but we are not saving it like that. Now saving the presentation into the Microsoft PowerPoint, we will just click on Ctrl+S because we have already saved it with the name class 9 ppt.odp. So this is how you can make your presentation. So you can practice all these things in your system. Thank you all of you.